In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Notion with Outlook. This process will allow you to seamlessly sync your Outlook calendar with Notion, making it easier to manage your schedules in one unified place. So, let's dive right in. First, head over to your Microsoft account. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and do so now. Once you're in, look for the app launcher, usually found in the top left corner with a grid of dots. Click on it to open a drop-down menu, and from there, select Calendar. This will take you to your Outlook calendar, which we'll be working with today. Next, you need to adjust the view settings of your calendar. Navigate to the View option in the menu and click on it. After that, locate Calendar Settings. That's where we'll configure some crucial settings needed for integration. Within the calendar settings, you'll find an option called Shared Calendars. Click on it and then look for Publish a Calendar. This is an important step as it enables others to view your calendar, which is pivotal for the integration with Notion. Now, you need to select the calendar you wish to integrate. Click on Select a Calendar to open a drop-down menu that lists all your available calendars. Pick the one you want to work with and then decide on the permissions level. Once you've set that, click on Publish. This will generate a link to your calendar, which is essential for the next steps. Look for the link that gets generated after publishing your calendar. Click on it to reveal more options, and then select Copy Link. You'll need this link to embed the calendar in Notion. With the link copied, let's shift our focus to Notion. Open Notion and navigate to the page where you want to embed your Outlook calendar. On that page, click on the plus icon to add a new block, and choose Embed from the list of options. Once you've selected Embed, paste the calendar link you copied from Outlook into the designated area. Complete the process by clicking on Embed Link. And just like that, your Outlook calendar is now integrated and accessible directly within Notion. Congratulations! You've successfully integrated your Outlook calendar with Notion. This integration allows you to view and manage your schedule right from Notion, streamlining your workflow and ensuring everything you need is just a click away. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more how-to videos like this. See you in the next one.